Okay, I've got good news and bad news. Marriage counseling fails to save marriages most of the time. Now the good news. I can immediately show you exactly what to do and say to repair your relationship. You had a dream with each other when you first fell in love. Life got in the way, and now you don't understand each other a lot of the time. When you debate each other and neither of you gets heard, that's the beginning of the end of your relationship. Please don't let that happen, as it doesn't need to. In 1 hour with me, you'll know exactly what to reveal to each other with the support that you need. I know exactly where to take you in your conversation, and you'll be at ease as the three of us make sense of your relationship. Click the link, schedule a call with me today, and we're not just going to save your relationship. We're going to bring back the love that you had when you first met. My name is Derek Hart, and I've been saving marriages for 32 years. I'll see you soon.